next classification is business to consumer B2C. As you all know, this is the most common and popular type of e-commerce that we all use and come through like Amazon, Flipkart and so on, where the transaction happens between business and consumer. Here the consumer can access the website or the supplier or producer rather than buying from a retailer, which is the traditional method of shopping, which result in cost saving as the customer directly buys from producers. This means that the producer is able to sell at a lower rate, which result in lower price, bigger product range and even customization as per buyer requirement. B2C e-commerce include online marketing and distributing product and services over internet. Now let us see wide range of platforms offer in B2C type of e-commerce. With instance, the typical business is using B2C platforms including retail called as electronic retailing, travel and ticketing, manufacturing, financial services such as bank, insurance companies, etc. Telecommunication, online bill payment service like Paytm.com, consumer and personal care goods, textiles, clothing and fashion accessories like Myntra, jewelry shop like Bluestone.com, entertainment and media like bookmyshow.com. Most of the site will offer products from several sellers at a time, permitting the customers to buy from any seller in the site. In this type of e-commerce, business develops a form of attractive electronic marketplace to make sales using multimedia, e-catalogs and interactive online order processing. It is important to note that B2C, the seller is business organization that could be producer, wholesaler, retailer, whereas the buyer is us, the common man, the ultimate consumer. Here, business drives the specification of the product and customer can choose whether to buy or not to buy the product. In trading process like this product or service will be listed under different categories using catalogs in the e-retailer's website. The product or service can be chosen and added to the shopping cart, after which the address and billing details can be given and the final stage of payment can be made and checked out. Today we see a huge volume of transaction that is happen in this type of e-commerce. The next type of e-commerce is consumer to business, C2B. Here the parties involved are consumer and a business. Consumer to business is a growing area where consumer requests a specific service or product from the business. This mode of transaction has not become very common or popular in India. The mechanism in this type of e-commerce happen as the consumer specifies the requirement to a business which provides product or service at a price that meets its requirement. In this case, the business and demand is driven by the consumer. The customer quotes the price for which he is willing and ready to pay, which the seller may accept or reject. Those sellers who would accept or reject will respond either immediately or later in the form of responses sent to buyer by C2B website by means of email or mobile alert. Customer need to register to post bid for a product. Name your price is a simple and compelling proposition that is being used. Websites like Priceline.com, Bid2Travel.com are the examples for this type of e-commerce business which collect customer demand at a price set by the customer and communicates the demand directly to the participating sellers or to their database. C2B sites may either use vertical model where they focus only one category of business or on their own brand. There are also a good number of brands that even play as horizontal player with a multitude of product categories. It is also known as demand collection system, through which site will measure the exact price average customer is willing to pay for an item at any moment. For example, Indian Railway. The next type is consumer to consumer, C2C. Here, the practice involved is the customer itself as the buyer and seller. This type of sites are electronic meeting place for consumers where they take up roles as buyers and sellers. In this type of e-commerce business, consumer can buy and sell product or services using auction buying models. The process takes place as the consumer lists the items for the sale with the commercial auction site. Then the other consumer can access the site and place their bids on the item. The site provider usually charges transaction cost. When it comes to reality, this site should be called C2B2C. Few examples of this e-commerce type are eBay, OLX, and so on. That's all for today. I hope that topic is clear to you all. Thank you for watching. Keep learning.